Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your private videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then right here tap at profile to open up your TikTok profile page, and then in order to see your private videos all you have to do is hit right here at that lock icon, and on that tab it shows you all the private videos at your TikTok account. In any time you can tap at any of your videos, then you can hit right here at three dots icon, then swipe over until you find privacy settings. You can tap at that lock icon, and now you can change the privacy for that particular video. You can hit right here where it says who can watch this video. As for now it's set to only me. You can tap right here and switch it to friends or to everyone. So I'm gonna select everyone, and now everyone are able to see that video at my TikTok profile and at suggested videos. Also right here you can set up who can comment this video, and also you can allow or disallow duets and stitches. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.